Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beans from a can. Start by draining and rinsing your canned beans. This crucial step removes about 40% of the sodium and any starchy liquid, which can cause an undesirable texture. Place the beans in a colander and rinse them under cool running water for about 30 seconds. This simple preparation ensures a cleaner, fresher taste for your dish. Next, let's build some flavor. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add finely diced aromatics such as 1 small onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté these until they are fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This creates a delicious base for your beans. Now, add your rinsed beans to the pan with the aromatics. Pour in about 1/2 cup of vegetable broth or water to prevent sticking and add moisture. Stir everything together gently. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and any other desired herbs like a pinch of dried oregano. Simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Your perfectly prepared canned beans are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm as a delicious and healthy side dish. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or cilantro adds a vibrant touch and extra flavor. These beans are versatile and pair wonderfully with many meals, offering a quick and nutritious addition to your plate.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.